Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and today I would like to let you know a part about the vacuum sizing tank, how it upside, up and down. Yes, let's have a look. This is the vacuum sizing tank's frame, and here is the gear, and it have the motor. The motor here. The motor here is by the control board to give the signal up and down, and then the motor will spin. It hold up the chain. It just bring the chain to spin, and also this part will make the gear to work together. And here you can see this part, it will move the parts to spin and up and down. And we have the limitation screw. This is the limitation screw, and then this is the down this way, and then we have to also have the upside way, the upside limitation. And it also on here it just have the button, and this is how the vacuum sizing tank up and down. And so if you are interested in the plastic extrusion knife, feel free to let me know, and I will let you know some part of the machine.